So, we are talking about the DJI Air 3, which has caused quite a stir among drone enthusiasts since its launch. DJI Air 3 introduced an innovative dual primary camera system that includes a wide-angle camera and a 3x mid-telephoto camera. However, many fans were disappointed with this drone and are eagerly awaiting the rumored Air 3S, which is expected to come with a 3-inch sensor. So, what keeps the Air 3 from being a worthy upgrade? Will DJI release the A3S with a larger sensor? And if so, when? In today's video, we'll answer these questions and share our expectations for the DJI Air 3S. Looking back, the AI2S brought significant upgrades over the Air 2, including an improved camera sensor, greater range, and better flight time. While the Air 3 comes with upgrades, DJI has downgraded the camera sensor. Both lenses of the Air 3 are equipped with a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor, the same as the Mini 3 Pro. In fact, the 24mm wide camera is worse than the Air 2's lens. Moreover, for still images, the Air 2S larger sensor, coupled with the 20-megapixel camera, provides higher image quality with less noise. Also, the Air 3 can only shoot in 4K resolution, compared to the Air 2S 5.4K resolution. Based on these specs, the Air 2S seems superior until one considers the 70mm telephoto lens. However, both lenses have a fixed aperture, so you'll need to use ND filters when shooting in harsh daylight. It looks like there have been more downgrades than upgrades with the Air 3. But don't worry, the Air 3S is on the horizon to restore DJI's reputation. If we look at previous launch schedules, there was roughly a year gap between the DJI Air 2 and Air 2S. Following this pattern, since the DJI Air 3 was launched in July last year, it is safe to assume that the Air 3S might be available in July this year. There are also rumors of an avatar refresh, and we might see both drones released around the same time. To make the Air 3S truly noteworthy, it must feature a larger sensor. The Air 3S is expected to have a 1-inch sensor for higher resolution and more details. Additionally, for still images, DJI needs to upgrade the lens to an actual 48-megapixel camera. Another disappointment for many fans is that the Air 3 does not allow shooting vertical videos like the Mini 4 Pro. Most captured shots are intended for social media, and having to crop shots from the Air 3 for vertical videos significantly reduces details. Therefore, we hope the Air 3S will bring back the vertical mode, rotating the camera so we can get video and image content directly from the drone and post it to social media without cropping. Another significant upgrade could be support for the DJI RC Pro. Currently, the Air 2 only supports the DJI RC2 due to the recent OcuSync 4 integration. If DJI can provide support for the RC Pro with the Air 3S, it would be convenient for pilots to carry multiple drones and maneuver them with one controller. It's clear that the Air 3 couldn't live up to its name, and the Air 3S has a lot to prove. If you're wondering whether to get the Air 3 or wait for the Air 3S, our suggestion is to wait a bit longer, as you might get some valuable upgrades for a better aerial shooting experience. But if you're still thinking about buying the Air 3, it's on a good sale right now. You can find the discount link in the video description and comments. Finally, if you are thinking of buying a camera or drone in 2024, I strongly recommend subscribing to Photomica. Also, if you have watched this part of the video, don't forget to like it at the bottom. Thank you, and see you in the next video.